Hello friends. Welcome to the Colors Tour. Let's color. Today, we will color the windmill. Let's paint it. Let's color the windmill. Let's select the color. Sky blue color. We will keep the cloud white. Good job. Good job. Let's select the next color, and it's red. Let's select the next color, and it's yellow. Let's select the next color, and it is brown. Color all the wings properly. Let's select the next color, and it's red. Now we will select the green color for grass. Good job. Good job. Now we will select the baby pink color for door. Good job. We successfully completed our first painting. Yes, it looks good. Now let's start our second painting. We will color the turtle. Let's go and color it. For turtle, first we will choose light brown color. Good job.
Now let's find out light green color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a
Now we will choose the sandy brown color.
with a here and a there, here.
Select the olive color. Next color is sky blue for cloud. Let's color it. Now, we will select the blue color for sky. Now, at the last we will select dark green color for grass. Let's color it and complete the painting. Great job! So, today we have done 2 paintings. Our first painting is windmill. Our second painting is turtle. Hope you liked the painting. Thank you for watching. Please press like and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.
And on his